Coming to see you. She's a good woman, a great woman with great reputation. But I know she has 3 adopted kids.
Adopted kids?
Yeah. And I know that she's building an orphanage someday.
This is delicious. It tastes like my wife's food.
So tell me, who is your wife?
Table manners.
You have to possess Adobe and build a hinge around her so that nobody will trespass. Adobe is a gift you got on a platter of gold. If you let her slip away from you, trust me, you're going to regret it.
Yeah, the moon still remembers us.
Ah, certainly she does. That woman, she doesn't forget things easily. Please, what do I offer you?
She's small now.
It's been a long time we saw each other.
For real. With all this, my experience,
I don't want to get married anymore. I'll just adopt 1 or 2 babies. Adobe has 3 children without a husband. Adobe, aren't you living good?
Adobe turned down my proposal. But anyway, it doesn't really matter, okay? Just get my things ready. If I stay here, I will not concentrate. Okay? I have to go.